Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download PrimeXBT mobile application on your mobile device. First, in order to download the application and get started with the platform, you'll need to go ahead and open your Play Store if you're using an Android, and if you're using an iOS device, open up your App Store. Now, go to the search box and type in PrimeXBT and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. The PrimeXBT is cryptocurrency trading platforms that allows its users to trade global market including crypto, commodities, indices, and forex. To get the application downloaded and installed on your smartphone, tap the Get button or the Install button and wait for a couple of minutes until the app gets downloaded and installed. Once it is done, you'll be able to see the Open button. Tap on it to launch Open PrimeXBT application on your mobile device. Quick and easy. Now you can go ahead and log into an existing account or get started by signing up for a new one. That is how you can easily download PrimeXBT mobile application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more of these tutorials. Thanks for watching.